Now for display. Display type. Screen size. Display resolution. Display PPI. Refresh rate. Display protection. Dust and water resistant. Unfold display. Display resolution. Now for performance. Operating system. Chipset. Processor. Graphic processing unit. Now for storage. Now for camera. Vivo X Fold 3. Oppo Find N3. Galaxy Z Fold 5. Back camera makes video recording. Back camera makes zoom. Selfie camera. Now for battery. Battery capacity. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging. Now for connectivity. Network. Fingerprint sensor. Bluetooth. USB port support. NFC. Now for design and build. Stereo speakers. Headphone jack. Back protection. Weight. Now for price. Specs score. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.